Welcome to Code Stage, your topics, our reviews. In continuation of the loop exercise, today we will be discussing about how to implement this diamond shape pattern. So if you see here, this is the diamond shape pattern. It consists of the two parts. First one is the equilateral triangle of the stars. The second one is inverted triangle, right? So if you have this one is the diamond shape of maximum 5 rows. It contains the 5 stars. So first we have to take care of this printing of this star, equilateral star, and then one lesser than inverted star of the inverted triangle, right? Let's try to understand it, how we will print. For this we have to divide this in two parts. First part contains from 1 to 4th row. We have to take care of the space also. So now first row it contains if it is a 4, then it contains 6 space, and then 4 space, and 3 space, 2 0 space. We have to take care of the space and then print the star. So first we will print the upper half and then the inverted equilateral triangle. Let's take an example. Let's create one method like code as it is. Diamond pattern, right? Pattern. Let's take one column now. So how many rows do we want to print? Okay, so first row we have to so for 4th row, let's take an example of this, the 4th row. We are printing the maximum 4 stars is there. So on a first line, if you see here, there is 6 space, and then it comes 4 space, then it comes 2 space, then 1 space, 0 space, you can say. So let's try to mark here. It will be simple, right? And we have to iterate through this. So we in range, that's simple. One thing, range is always taking the 1 minus from the range you are giving. So here if you give the 4, it's run from 0 to 3. It will not take the last line. That's the range. So for j in range, and we have to first print the space, right? Print, right? We just print the space, right? Again, it's if you iterate through it, first it's will iterate from 0 to 1. So now we have to do something like, right? And then we have to print the star. So it's from 0 to I plus 1, because the last number is range is giving the one number less. So that's why I print the one more, right? We have to print the star, and then end. End is for not going to the new line, otherwise print will be printing every star in a new line. Okay, let's run this. So it will be upper half. Okay, we have to call the method. We have not called the method. Let's shift for 4. Let's run this. See, it's printing the equilateral triangle, right? We are okay till here, right? Now we have to print the lower half, the inverted half first, but it's not till the 4. It's a start from the 3, 2 and 1, right? So 1 lesser than that. Let's make another half. Triangle, right? Okay. So here k is equal to row minus 2, because the spacing we have to take, right? For I in range, okay, because it's in a decreasing, right? So row we go till minus 1 and it's decreasing by 1. Simple. So here it will start from the row. So row it will take 1 lesser than that. So it's a 4, then it will take from 3, 2, 1. Okay, right? Okay. And then for j in range, it will again start from the k, go till 0 and 1 minus, not it's increase. By default it will plus 1, but here we have to do the minus 1 because we are printing the lower half, right? Just print simple Okay, that's done. And then we have to increase by 1, or k plus plus you can write. Then we have to print the star. It's not that much difficult. Only you have to understand the concept, how this intention of the space and the star, that we have to take care of. Printing of a star is the same here. Here or here, print. We have to just manipulate the value of I and j. Right? End is for, again, not going to the new line. It's printing on the same line. Otherwise, for every for loop, it will print on the new line. That's we don't need. Okay, so it will be printing the lower line. If you run here, see here, it's printing, right? So if we say something like 5, it will print to the 5 line. See, it's printing correctly fine. Let's say for 10. See, it's printing correctly. Okay, so that's a simple way of writing the diamond shape. It's not big deal, so we have to divide it into 2 parts. First, the upper one, equilateral triangle, and then inverted equilateral triangle. Okay. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.